Hi, today I'm replacing my passenger side mirror. This is a 2023 Chevrolet Silverado Lt. Um, I'm gonna do a couple steps differently. So please do whatever on do your own stuff. But this is just a video. Um, you're gonna need a 7mm and a 13mm if I remember right, and a couple pry bars. Maybe a big one too, because some of them are very difficult to remove. The clips, they're difficult to remove. I use small ones. You might need a bigger one. I used a bigger one, maybe like a 12-inch pry bar, maybe. So I'm gonna be replacing it with a blind spot mirror or the convex mirror, whatever name you prefer. Um, Heard that these wires are very hard to come off. Um, I don't know. I'm kind of. Um, oh no, that's really easy. Kind of scared. I was scared, but I don't know. Maybe the new one is hard. I don't know. But this is how it looks like. Look at that. I totally broke it. But yeah. There's two bolts right there. This little cover right here comes off. I used the screwdriver. Comes off. See, two bolts. Down here, there is another bolt. I do not know the size. And then I think that's all. Then you lift up and it comes off, and then the mirror is from the inside. The mirror that I'm gonna replace has bolts. So let me get on this part started. Of the video, I'm adding a picture of the service manual. This helped me out a lot. It's basically the steps and how it wants you to remove the clips. Okay, so on the bottom side, I found out that there's clips around it. As you can see right there, the pry bar, I found it really easy to just stick the pry bar where the clips are and pry them. Yeah, just do it all around. It is pretty difficult. I end up using a bigger breaker bar. I mean, a pry bar on a few. I don't remember exactly where, but just do your best. This part of the video right here, I am removing the door, just the plastic piece. I didn't disconnect any electrical cables besides the mirror one. That's the only one I disconnected. I'm just holding. I have somebody else helping me hold just the plastic panel while I go and take off the four 13mm fasteners. There is a little plastic right there, little cover that has to be removed to get to expose the 13mm. Make sure you put that back on. Don't forget it. And then there's gonna be a plug that goes to the mirror. Don't forget that too, because it's important. And remove it and install a new one. It's all done. Put everything back together. Don't forget anything. Right here, I'm just showing that the mirror housing, the chrome piece is separate, different part numbers.